Welcome to this video from the University of Reading Library on how to reference a book. There are four components every reference in your reference list or bibliography needs, whatever it is you're referencing. They are the author, the year of publication, the title, and the publication details, which will vary depending on the type of publication you're referencing. The first step in referencing a book is to find all of the details needed to reference it fully. It's best to get this information from the book itself, be it a printed book or an e-book. You'll need to look at the title page inside the book rather than the front cover, and this usually gives you the author, the title, the edition if it's greater than the first edition, and often the place of publication and publisher's name. Sometimes not all of this publication information is displayed on the title page, rather you'll find it on the back of the title page. This is also where you'll normally find the date of publication. You may also find this information on the Library Catalogue Enterprise. Just search for the book and view its catalogue record. Most of the catalogue records for books will usually show who the author is, the title, the edition, the place of publication, the publisher's name, and the date of publication. Once you have all the required information to provide a full reference, you need to put that information in the correct order according to the referencing style your department uses. Many departments at the university use the Cite Them Right Harvard referencing style, and the following examples use this style. In your reference list, this style requires the author or authors to be named first, followed by the date in brackets. Next comes the title of the book, which is in italics, then the edition if it's a second edition or higher, and the publisher's name. So in our example, we have the author's surname, Talon, and initial A, the date 2021 in brackets, the title Urban Regeneration in the UK is in italics. This is the third edition, so that comes next, followed by the publisher's name, Routledge. Some referencing styles require the place of publication to be given before the publisher's name, but the latest version of Cite Them Right Harvard doesn't require this. For your in-text citation, after referring to this book in your text, you just need the author's surname, Talon in this instance, and the year of publication, 2021, in brackets. You should also add a page number after the date if you're quoting directly or using ideas from a specific page or pages of a work. Insert the abbreviation P. or PP. for more than one page before the page numbers, as shown in the second example. Here are some key tips to remember when referencing a book. You only need to include the edition if it's greater than the first edition. Where an e-book looks like a printed book, usually in PDF format, with publication information and page numbers, cite it in the same way as a printed book. If there are 3 or fewer authors, you'll need to name them all in your in-text citation, whereas for 4 or more authors, you may just name the first, followed by et al. In your in-text citation. Consult departmental handbooks and check your references carefully for completeness, style, and punctuation in order to get top marks. Remember, consistency is key. For more information on how to reference a book, please see our Citing References guide by scanning the QR code on screen. For further help with referencing, contact the Academic Liaison Librarian for your subject. Contact them via email or book an appointment with them. Scan the QR code on screen to find their contact details.